Hey guys, how y'all doing? Tisaya here, back again with another wig review. And this one, I wanted to do something absolutely different. It took me a while to get a short wig, and actually it's one of my subscribers told me about this wig, and her name is Charlie, and she looks like this. And this is from Freetress Equal. The one that I have is OM30 Gold, and this is what it looks like on the stock card. This is the one I have. So it's like a 1B with some blonde gold highlights. So let's get into it, guys. I will talk about it while putting it on. Let me just show you all what it looks like right out of the pack, right out of the box. All right, so Charlie has no combs anywhere. She only has adjustable straps, right? Adjustable straps, no combs. This is what it looks like on top, right? The texture is yaki, definitely, and it's thick. Like in front, there's a lot of hair in front, and it tapers down at the back. All right, the cap is stretchy. It's a very stretchy, breathable material, and I have tried it on before, and she fit snug, yes, but I feel like if I adjust the straps just a little bit, it will fit even better. So I would say she's beard friendly. So let's get on. I live in Trinidad and Tobago, and we only have 2 seasons, dry and rainy, but it's hot all the time. So a wig like this is perfect for my climate. This is her just on my head. Don't be worried, guys, we're going to finesse her. Right, so I'm just trying to adjust by the ear tabs. Well, there's no ear tabs, but the hair that's here from covering my ear, so it fits right behind your ear, and then you have this short if you like hair in your face that doesn't bother you, I guess this is fine. But if you find it's like too much hair, I'm pretty sure you could trim it just a little bit. So there's no part, as you can see, there's no actual part in space, and the hair naturally goes into this swoop on this side. But when I was playing around with it, I said, let me try and see how it looks if I put it on the other side. So let's see how that goes. It's your preference. So in my opinion, I think you can wear this bang in either direction. Very simple. All I had to do was put it on. No lace, no combs, just cute, and no work involved. That's it. This is cute. This is giving me sophisticated, grown woman that you can't mess with. I wanted to also see if I could wear it with a headband. Let's see how it would look. she cute. I got this from Elevate Styles and paid under $16 for this wig. Okay, so she is worth every penny in my humble opinion. Alright, I think if you're looking for a short option, no hassle, no stress, Charlie is an option. So look into her. And the colors, you could go wild with Charlie. She will look really cute with her hat as well, a really cute hat. I was looking for one actually just for this review, and I didn't find one that I liked, so I didn't bother. Absolutely no cons for this one. I didn't get shedding. Nope, I didn't get any shedding. It fit really nice and comfortable, and it's worth every penny. So let's hear it for Charlie. Charlie's a win. Charlie's a win. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.